Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Homemade by Jenny. Today we'll be making a quick version of pho at home. So I'll go through with you how easily it can be done at home. This is all the ingredients I'll be using today. So as you can see, we got some shallots, ginger, cilantro, onion, and these will be the seasoning going in. I have black cardamom, star anise, cinnamon. There's also cloves, and I also have coriander seeds right there. And the beef I'll be using, actually when I checked the fridge, I noticed that I didn't have any bones. So I am gonna do another version, which I will show you, where I'm gonna be cutting up the beef shank into smaller bite-sized pieces and cooking it, and also with the veal breast as well. So I'll go through everything with everyone later. This is the brand of rice noodle that we actually enjoy eating. I always try to buy the premium bouillon powder because it doesn't have MSG in it. Also, fish sauce I like to use. I really like the squid brand one, and rock sugar, and this is salt in the fish bowl that we'll be using. Hope I'll walk through everyone, and let's get started. Okay, first thing I did was cut up the beef shank into pieces like this, put it in a pot with water, and I'm going to turn on the stove and bring it up to the boil, and then you're going to start to see foam, and that's how we're going to clean the beef shank before adding it to our broth. Okay, I just peeled the shallots and cut the ginger pieces in half, and now I'm just going to add it to my pot to charboil. See, I'm just frying the shallots and the ginger up quickly. This is just starting off the base for my broth. potatoes are blanch, I will add all the toppings as such. And now I'm gonna bring it over. The broth to the bowl. Top it. Meatball. Look at that gorgeous meatball.